The biggest concern while you're fasting in the month of Ramadan, especially fitness related folks, are how do I maintain my muscle mass while also keeping fast? Now, I'm not here to tell you what you should or should not do because everyone is different. What I can do is to tell you what exactly is my workout routine to at least maintain my muscle mass or maybe slightly improve during the process. One, what I do is I try to minimize my time in the gym by following a strategy called supersets. Now, we all know after breaking fast, we have to, do our prayers. We have to go for the Tarawih prayer, and then time passes on a fly. So minimizing your workout time is the best strategy. Now, the supersets allow you to train the opposing muscles while minimizing the rest in between the sets. For example, I simulate my workouts so that I have two opposing muscle groups. For example, on day one, I will train my chest and back. Day two, I will train my bicep, tricep. On day three, I will train hamstring, quads, all those muscles that oppose each other so that I have the minimum rest between the sets. So following these kind of workouts, I minimize my time to about 50%. So if normally I used to take an hour in the gym, now my workout time reduces to 30 to 45 minutes depending upon the kind of muscles that I'm hitting. Step number two, to prioritize the protein intake. Now you have heard about it a lot, but I will say that you probably do not need to eat about a gram of protein per pound of your body weight because it becomes excessive, especially if you're a little bit on the higher end of the body weight. But for example, if a 100-pound man, he eats a gram of protein, it would be like 100 grams. So what you need to do is during the Suhoor and Iftar, divide your total protein intake by about half. So you will take like 50 grams of protein in the morning, 50 grams in the evening. But you can maintain your muscle mass by even slightly reducing your protein intake to about 0.7 gram per pound of body weight. So for a 100-pound person, that will be roughly 70 grams of protein or 35 grams of protein during Suhoor and Iftar. Now, last month of Ramadan, I did not follow as good of my workout routine that I'm following now, and I was skipping on creatine. This year, I made up my mind to not skip on creatine. When you take creatine, there's one issue that you have to drink a lot of water. And during the month of Ramadan, it becomes a little bit difficult to keep up on your water intake. And if you want to check out how much water you need to drink while taking creatine, check out this video here. Now, I consistently took creatine up till now, and that helped me push the weights harder and lift heavy while I'm fasting. And I can see in the pictures for sure that my muscle has pump. It has retained its pump, but also I felt like muscles are defined because I'm fasting. My waist shrunk, but at the same time, my muscles grew because creatine helped me lift heavy. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next video.